right, number 7. We just have to shade x is greater than 1, negative 1, and it says or this time y is greater than or equal to negative 5. So or, this one is the union. So it's this one or this one. It kind of adds those pieces together. Alright, so this will be real easy to do by hand. So I'm going to do this and show you what it looks like, and then we'll graph it on the computer. So x is negative 1. Right here, draw a vertical line straight down. And we would be, well, let me wait. This one says y is greater than or equal to negative 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the x graph we will be shading this way, all the way across, all the way across, everything across there, and then the y is greater than or equal to negative 5, so it's going to be shading up everything. So it's going to get, this part's going to get double shaded. If I did intersection, we would only want that part. But since it says union, we will add this piece and this piece. So this little corner, sorry you can't see that, this little corner in the bottom will not be shaded, because all the way down from x is negative 1 right here will shade all the way across, and we will shade everything above, and union adds those two pieces together. Alright, so when we want ordered pairs, it doesn't matter what we do as long as x is negative 1 for the first equation. And then, so y can be anything. And then on the second equation, as long as y equals negative 5, it does not matter what you put for x. Okay, so I will try to be very thorough in that. It does not give me any specifics as far as what to put in. Okay, so the first one, x is going to be a dotted line. I need to be careful. I drew a solid line both times. Dotted line, no equal to. Ordered pairs. Okay, x is negative 1. That's the only thing that matters. Okay, x is negative 1. So I'm going to show you. You can literally put anything. I'm going to put 5.7. Oh, it won't let me do a decimal. Let me see if I can do a fraction. 7 divided by 2. Uh-oh. See, it will let me do a fraction, just won't let me do a decimal. You can literally put anything you want to. And let's just put 6. Now, when I say anything, you must be careful. It has to be less than 10. It has to be at least a number on the graph. If you go too big or too small, it won't work. Alright, and then we want to shade the right side, so that's the A section, because it says x is greater than, so we went to the right. And then with y, it was greater than or equal to, so that was a solid line. And again, we can put any numbers we want, except it won't take decimals. It gave me an error. As long as y is negative 5. So I can put 0, and I can put 16 divided, oh, they still want it, it's too big. Let's just do 10 divided by 4, just to show you. You can put anything as long as it's in the scope of the graph. I was going to do 16 divided by something, but it says 16 is too big, so maybe I can do it here since I changed it. 16, I want to say divided by 7. Yeah, you can do anything you want as long as it's less than 10. Oh, I forgot the last part. Shading, we want above, so the C section is kind of hard to see. Section C. Alright, and this time it said or. Okay, so or means we want the union of the two, and it does shade it, and it leaves that square blank.